This meticulously maintained, rural retreat is just the space you've been searching for, to call home. Open, spacious floor plan, farmhouse-style kitchen, contemporary finishes, and maintenance-free flooring are just a few of the interior comforts this home has to offer. The rear yard is fenced and full of assorted fruit trees/bushes, 2 raised/fenced garden areas, fire pit, greenhouse, and a well-appointed chicken coop make this a gardener's/entertainer's paradise. Recently updated kitchen, roof, appliances, HVAC, bathrooms, windows, doors, water softener, and encapsulated crawl space with dehumidifier. This one-of-a-kind, Magnolia home, is the ideal place to relax, unwind, and enjoy the beautiful nature all around you. Just minutes from Munden Point Parks' 100-acre fishing area.